show, guys. Now, if you don't know, we're at Bacchanal Beach Juve. So now, we're gonna listen up to DJ Shantoni as one of Chromatic selectors. He has a new mixtape out. Listen up for the details.
My name is Shane Patterson, aka DJ Shantoni from Chromatic. I'm a disc jock. Well, I've been a part of Chromatic almost 2 years. It's been very good. I like the progress, and I'm just enjoying everything. The latest project is a mixtape called Kick Out. It's a fusion of EDM kind of trap music mixed with dancehall and hip hop. Soul fusion, all of those genres. I think it's like 45 tracks. It will be available for download online. I'm trying to get it on iTunes, and I'll just be in the streets giving away free copies and all of those stuff. I just got some trap tracks together. I remixed them with some dancehall and some hip hop. So the theme is basically just being different. Both social media and in the streets, because we're going to market it different, because it probably appeals to a different market because of the type of things that are on it. So we'll be in the streets promoting at different colleges, college events and all that. And you don't know, we're going to be blasting it on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of those stuff.
Sound system selector Little Richie is our celebrity interview for this week. Listen up and let's hear what he's been up to.
Well, Little Richie known to be a youth where musically inclined, local youth from downtown, you know what I mean? We keep the music flowing from back in the about late 90s.
All of your culture, put the plan on the air! Every lifetime on the air! Don't never! Rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say you're strong.
When we just started out in the music, it's like from in the countryside, Manchester, with a sound named King Predator. We just did love music and all. Whenever they play music, like say, it's like a career thing. We just love it. You understand? So basically when we get the run, leave and come to Kingston back in the 2000, play a sound named Rising Star. Still have the love for music, on a level way. I just play where I play it. We don't see where it can bring we go now. We just say I am a music this because we did done as a footballer still, because I was a footballer, you know what I mean? So that's now we get the big break and go swash, which is Roach. We dead R.I.P. Roach, you don't know my boss, Patrick Samuels. You understand, the south side, where he bring my guys Swatch International 2000. The Passa thing come in, you know what I mean, which was Passa Wednesday. That's how the big break come, man. And then now playing start take me and say, Jano, you could have played sound and reach a foreign and have so much fans, and you know what I mean? So at this now, a straight love. And then now the thing just get global, all about all over. And some people knowing Little Richie, then radio station, it's 92 FM, take the thing to a next level too. Right now, music very easy. Because what you don't have, you can go up on the internet and get it. Anything. First time, we have got a record store. A line joined on a Techniques, one up at Aquarius. We understand, so the thing have to step up and move by, but I mean, you know what I mean? Them time they show love because you join a line, forget whatever. Now, you don't have to join a line. Now you're in your bedroom, you're in your house, you say, yo, I want this, so you get it. The laptop situation, and then the youth, them come up, them have easier band. We did have to push the music for catch it. Now you squeeze a button and the music correspond to the next one. You understand? Nowadays you find kids that play a song, or youth them, now the kids them up. There's some youth that play a song, and them a play like a 98 song, I try to mix it to that. Or 15 song. And it not tell the same story. You not play the music or if you play. You understand? But here what it can mix. Well, when you're talking about flavor with Little Richie, you know, you talk about a thing like how you to energy, how you to vibes. Come, scope the party and see what you want. And in no time, you tell us me will find the remedy for that party there. You understand? Basically that. I tell you, hard. Energy, you can't lose. We have a youth named Chronics coming at the music. You see Chronics now, Chronics look like me just do. I research from him a child and come and say, you hear me? When me I do, it don't have to accept. Him not do the wrong thing, I do the right thing. Chronics will go in a dance with beer audience, dancers, and sing a culture, and get the dancer them for listen to it. So I tell you, look out for the mixtape coming out soon. The energy impact. You understand? You don't know that I got slap with car. Anything we do, we put the energy in it.
One more in the stumble. Some fucking associates, turn up the light on it. One of the open. At the end of the year, I don't know life hard, you not give up. Oh, said I had a close one yesterday. I can't shut up in your way. I'm making a call when I'm making. I don't know the
Part 2 of our interview with dancehall artist Sham and Carnival on the road in Montego Bay are all coming up right after these short messages. We'll be right back.